Today we'll be addressing the art of communication, the meow. The meow originated as a means to communicate with your mothers at a time when you are unable to see or hear. You're likely to meow more often when you're a kitten than when you're a cat. Now, the purr. Purring is a complicated vocalization. It means different things in different contexts. I have an equation where I've actually worked out how you'll indicate this. When you're in a situation where you're relaxed, purring is a sign of contentment. But when you're poorly, or you've been involved in an accident, you may also purr as a means of comforting yourself. We found that when people stroke you, your purring uplifts their moods. A wonderful symbiosis there. The trill. Yes, the trill is just a friendly greeting. The hiss. You hiss when you're being defensive. Thank you.